Welcome everyone. Happy International Yoga Day. So today I am going to show you few simple techniques which is going to help you to reduce your anxiety. As we all are living in the age of stress and anxiety, so there is no wondering of to become anxious because there is several reasons which is causing the anxiety. So the symptoms of anxiety are shortness of breathing and palpitations and lack of sleep. So these symptoms are affecting and bothering our daily routine life. So working on yoga is completely related to your nervous system. So let's do the first yoga asana, which is called the Anand Mudra Asana. This is a very beautiful posture, as the name is suggests Anand. It means blessed. So let's do it. First, we need to facing this side. We need to bend our knees and sit like this. We have to keep our palm on the sole and pressing them and close your eyes. Keep straight your back. Take a deep breath. Open your eyes. Release your posture and come back. So this is a very instant and very quick yoga posture. And whenever you are feeling very extremely hyper and anxious, you can do it for a 5 to 6 seconds, and you can feel how relaxed your body become very relaxed. So now let's move ahead to the second portion, which is called Nadi Sodhana Asana. The nadis are invisible circuit which is outside your body. So basically, your nadi system, which is placed at your nostrils, they are settled here, but they are not visible. So whenever you are activating your nadis, your entire nervous system is goes into the relaxation mode. But it is directly related to your nervous system. So whenever you start working or cleansing your nadi, it is always help to reduce your anxiety. In this nadi sodhan asana, in this asana basically we are cleansing our nervous system. So first we have to sit in a padmasana. So now we have to place our these two fingers on our palm, and we have to put our ring finger on your right side of nostrils, and your thumb should be on top. And then from and keep your back very straight, and then from the left nostril you have to inhale and exhale. Open your eyes. This breathe in and breathe out, we have to do 10 to 15 times. The same way we have to do from the left side. In the same way, we have to place our finger here, and we have to put our thumb on our nostrils, and we have to put our ring finger on the top, and again the same way, breathe in, breathe out. Slowly just back to the position. So what happens when we do this process? In this, our right side and left side, both the side of brain, it gets activated through this breathing. So what happens with the balancing of the breathing? It's completely brings you centralized. Your brain, your nervous system to get centralized. Now let's move away to the third asana, which is called Vipreet Karni Asana. Let's see how it's work on our system. So in this asana, basically you have to stretch your legs, keep your back straight, and lie down. So bend your knees, stretch your legs to them, raise your hips up, hold your hips, close your eyes, slowly breathe. Just breathe around your spine. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Just slowly bend your knees, release your posture, and come back. So basically, in these postures, what happens when we are uh, inhaling or exhaling? We inhale around our spine. When we inhale through the spine, our all the chakras which is in the spine, they get activated and they start our nervous system gets start relaxation. So let's move ahead to the last yoga posture, which is called the Brahmi Asana. This is my one of favorite asana, which I used to do very often whenever I am free. So in this we have to sit in a Padmasana and keep your back very straight. Open your hands like this and put your thumbs on your ear and spread your fingers, your entire your head, just cover like this and press them with your tips. Basically your nervous system is surrounding here. So just press them nicely and just start breathing, inhaling and exhaling. When you are exhaling, just exhale with the sound of hum. Let's do it. Close your eyes. Let's do it again. Inhaling. Inhale, full of your chest. Now exhaling with the sound of hum. Now open your eyes and slowly come back to your normal position. So basically what happens when we do this process, when we are doing inhaling or exhaling by the sound of hum, so the sound of hum which gets vibrate your this entire nerve system which is based here. Okay, so this is kind something like of the massage which is really help to reduce your anxiety or your stress. Whenever you get 1 or 2 minutes, just do it. It's really help you. So do these simple techniques and see how easily you can transform your anxiety into your peace. Thank you so much. Stay safe and stay healthy.